Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Z's World. Today we are going to take this car out finally after doing all the modifications you've seen in the last video. Everything feels nice and smooth. I have a Venom battery I'm going to put in 3S and we're going to take it right out of the street in the front of my house. I'm going to see how this thing handles and how the gearing meshes well with the shims that I put in. So hold on one second, we'll be outside. Okay guys, so I got a chance now to bring it out on the street just to see how this car is going to drive. So super smooth. The gear mesh is perfect, and I have the 3S battery in it, so she's gonna go about 60 to 70. And the tires are perfect for it. And it handles phenomenal. The original tires that came with it were not any good. With this setup and the fixing of the gearing, I think we got something here. Granted, the street now is actually freshly paved, so she's not having any issues whatsoever with traction. The tires and the ground not being wet, it actually gives it a good chance for traction. Just gotta make sure I let the cars go. I had to use a aftermarket servo. The original servo went. I had a servo at home. I don't remember which one I have in it. And it handles just perfect the way it is with that setup. You could get a faster servo. I probably should put a Savox in it. Other than that, it handles very, very well. Turning radius is good. The one thing I do notice, it does have an issue if you get a rock kick up. Goes inside the body and gets jammed up on the steering. That's the only downfall. But as of right now, the gear mesh is perfect. The brakes are perfect. So I really do think that we got something good going here. I'm gonna do some drive-by shots with another camera. For the rear diff, which takes most of the brunt of the acceleration and most of the torque, it does not grind or anything. For all you guys that have them, I just saw that Twomley RC, the guy he's from Britain, he actually just unboxed the Mach-E, the electric version, but this is still the same car. He had some issues with the suspension and he raised the suspension. I haven't touched the suspension. I think the suspension is great the way it is. I think those are some of the things you have to do to make this car right. Shimming it, definitely changing the tires. Someone mentioned in the comments that they're just regular foam tires, and I appreciate that. This car is amazing right now. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.